Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about trading, how to trade cryptocurrencies. I will review to you the best strategy to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, whatever coin or whatever crypto that you are interested in. I will give you the best technical indicator that you will use to trade cryptocurrencies. Just before we start, I will highly encourage you to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Is a rule that we observe on this channel. Before we discuss anything, we like the video and we subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys for doing that. Technical analysis help us to know when to buy Bitcoin and when to sell Bitcoin. The best way to explain it is to give you an example. So you see, this is the graph of Bitcoin USD on a daily chart, and we want to use it to invest in Bitcoin. Now we're using what we call support and resistance. Support is like your ground floor. Anything that bounces on it will bounce back. If you drop a ball on the ground floor, it will bounce back. And resistance is like a ceiling. If you throw a ball on your ceiling, it will bounce back. Of course, if your ceiling is concrete. But if it's not concrete, the ball can go away. So the same thing also happens when you want to invest in Bitcoin. So if you want to understand how to use technical analysis to invest in Bitcoin, the law is very simple, the rule is very simple. You buy when it's at the ground floor. So when it's at support, you buy. And you sell when it's at resistance. So you are seeing this chart that I'm showing you here on the screen. So you are seeing it. I have my support and my resistance. The support is the ground floor. So it says that when Bitcoin hit this support, can you see whenever it hit this support, it will bounce back. So you see, when Bitcoin hit this support that I'm showing you, you're seeing it, it will bounce back, it will go up. When it hit the resistance, here, this is resistance. When it hit the resistance, it will come down. So you are seeing it. So the support is at what price? About $30,000. And the resistance is about $68,000. This is how you use chart to invest in Bitcoin. So you wait for the price to hit the support before you buy. So see it again, it will come down. So when it hit this support again, see it again, it's hitting it at this point. Once it hit it, it will go up. Can you see? It will go up. And once it hit the resistance here, it will come down. As of today, Bitcoin is going down. You're seeing it, it's going down. So we are predicting that once it hit this place, which is the support, it will start going up again. So it will come down till it hit the support before it will start heading back. So it's not a law. It does not work 100% of the time, but most times it usually works, which is what you are seeing here. Most times it usually works. So if you want to invest in Bitcoin, like what is the best time to buy? If you don't want to use dollar cost averaging, you use support and resistance for the price to drop down here. Once you hit this support now, you buy, because hopefully the price should go up. But there are times that the price can keep going down. Please take note. It's possible instead of the price going down and going up, forming a V shape. This is V. It comes down, hit the support, and goes up. To form this V shape, it can keep going down. And when it starts going down, instead of going back, it's what we call breakout in trading. It means that it has broken through the support. And if it's at the top, it means it has broken through the resistance. And it will keep going down until it meets another support or another resistance, which for Bitcoin will be here. So which means it will fall to like $10,000. It will form another V shape of forming like this, come down here and move up. So this is to help you to understand how support and resistance work if you want to use it to start investing in cryptocurrency. There are other methods that's being used when it comes to using technical analysis, but I think that this is the best method when it comes to using chart. Otherwise, it can get complicated, and I don't want to complicate you with things that are not important just because they are part of technical analysis. I want to keep it short, sweet, and most impactful. So I didn't want this video to be so long. That's why I tried to make it short in order for you people to understand the key thing needed to buy cryptocurrency, needed to trade cryptocurrency and make money. So in summary, you buy at support and you sell at resistance. Whether you're an investor, whether you're a trader, the method works every time and all the time. So if you're looking for a book on how to start trading, I would recommend this book to you, The Playbook by Mike Bellifior, an insider look at how to trade like a professional trader. So the book is very good. I would encourage you to get one if you're really interested in trading. Also, I can make more trading videos if that's what people are interested in. So just tell me in the comment section if this video was helpful and any other thing you want to learn when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to understand the basics of Bitcoin, this video I'm showing you here is a 1-hour video giving you the details of Bitcoin for you to understand cryptocurrencies. So check it out.